Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? This your boy Ray Mack. I want to talk to you guys today, man, because I came up with this little recipe. It's called a dirty burger. Alright, so basically I just took this dirty burger and I cooked it on my on my Weber grill outdoors. So this is what I did. First thing I did is I took some onions and I chopped up the onions. It was a white onion. You can use a sweet potato onion if you like. Then I went and took and bought some rolls from Walmart. Took those rolls and I sliced them in half. Once I did that, I started to prepare me some butter. Alright, I took that butter and basically it was 1 stick of butter, and then I had some parsley to go with that, along with some garlic and onion seasoning, and I bought this seasoning from Ross. Alright, I got my griddle heated up. I put coals up under that griddle, coals on one side and no coals on the other side. So the first thing I did is I went and I took some of that butter, put it on that griddle, and then I also took some of the onions and I put those onions right on that griddle between the hot and cold side with a hot and warm side, so that the onions could basically just saute. And once I got those sauteed, I moved those over to the side, and then I took me some patties. These patties I bought already made. These are some patties that I bought from Walmart. So I laid the patties down, got them brown, alright, and then I browned the, make sure that they was brown on both sides. Now once that happened, I went in and put me some cheese. You can use whatever type of cheese you want. Right here, I have some American cheese. So I did put American cheese on those patties. Once those patties was pretty much to the way that I like them cooked, I went on and I moved them to the side, to the warm side of that griddle. Now, what I did next was I took those buns and I took that butter, put some butter on the bottom and the top crown of the bun, placed it right directly on that griddle. Then once it was on the griddle, I took some of that butter and spread it right on the top and the bottom outer edges of those buns. Now, once those buns was pretty much toasted, I was ready to construct my sandwich, and it was basically easy. The only thing that I did was just pretty much put some mustard on first. Once I put that mustard on, I took my sauteed onions or my grilled onions, put it right on top. Then I stacked my burgers on. Then I crowned it with the top of the bun. And guess what? This is what we got. A dirty burger. And I'm telling y'all, it was good. Alright y'all, this is what we got. Some dirty burgers. And I mean, cooking it on the griddle came out pretty good. Alright, I really hope you guys really enjoyed this here video, because I'm telling you right now, definitely you'll be seeing more stuff like this coming in the future, and I will be cooking on that griddle top. So right here is not a dirty burger, it's not a dirty burger sandwich, but it is one of the ham sandwiches that you seen in the picture with that dirty burger sandwich. So I cooked this country ham on the grill, and I got some of these onions on it along with some of that mustard, and I got some of these here canned baked beans, and I'm going to chow down. So this is what I want you guys to do. If you could, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what you would like to see in the future. Alright? So I want to tell you guys, man, love and not hate. Love somebody, but hate nobody. And I'm hoping and praying that you really enjoyed this here video. Alright? So fam, I want you guys to take care and love yourselves. Peace.